If you want to get back in shape, then the 30-second bundle workout may be for you. There are 5 exercises. Each should take 30 seconds with a 10-second break. It's called a 30-second bundle workout. But you will get maximum benefit from repeating this at least 3 times. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get all the updated videos. Number 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks is very simple, easy to do move, but a great way to get into cardio anywhere and anytime. Start standing with a slight bend in the knees and hand resting on thighs. Keeping the knees bent, open the arms and legs out to the sides. Arms come above the head and legs wider than shoulders. Then close, returning to your start. Do this for 30 seconds. Take a 10-second break. Number 2. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your pelvis tucked in, your neck neutral and your palms directly under your shoulders. Slowly bend your elbows and lower your body toward the floor. As far down as you can go, keeping back and hips level. Then press back up and repeat for 30 seconds and take a 10-second break. Number 3. Step up. Stand to face a chair or bench. Step up onto the chair or bench with your left leg, coming all the way up to the stand on it with both feet fully. Then step back down and come up again, starting with your right leg this time. Do as many as you can in 30 seconds and take a 10-second break. Number 4. Squat. Stand with the feet little wider than shoulder wide apart. Hips stacked over your knees and knees over ankle. Bend your knees as you hinge at the hip, shifting them back and down like you are about to sit in a chair. Lower yourself as far as you comfortably can, keeping most of your weight on your heels. Stand back up. Repeat for 30 seconds. Take a 10-second break and go right to the next move. Number 5. Plank. To start, get down on the ground into a push-up position. Your arms should form a straight line from your shoulders to the elbows. Push your body up and support it on your palms and balls of your feet. Keep your back straight and your touch aligned with the entire body, all in a line. Do not strain your neck. Keep the abs engaged by sucking the belly button in. Hold the plank for at least 30 seconds. To maximize the benefits, do it 2 more times, and don't feel hesitated to share your result with us by commenting below. Thanks for watching the video.